Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the S9 Mini Smartwatch. A sports smartwatch with a fashionable look, and as you can see here, it has support for wireless charging. Mini as in 38mm in size only. Usually the smartwatches is around 42 to 45. We do have here 38mm. Okay, more on this smartwatch focuses more on men and women with a smaller wrist. And as you can see here, it has a Super AMOLED screen display. So premium screen display with a small form factor with our S9 Mini Smartwatch. Okay, on this video we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. So if you are interested to see the design, okay, if you are curious to see if this smartwatch really is a mini version, watch this video. And of course, support our channel by liking this video, sharing it, as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore, have the unboxing of the S9 Mini Smartwatch. What we have here is the black color. So this is the packaging. Let's see if we do have some details at the back. So smartwatch, macaroon, smartwatch series. We do have here a blood glucose monitor, 38mm watch case, 8 UI styles, 1.75 high definition screen, then true snap. Okay, I don't know if what is the meaning of this one. Maybe if it is for the strap. Fun game, so there's games, sports mode, multi-language support, Bluetooth calling here, music player, and message notifications. Okay, so that's it for the details on the packaging. So let's remove the plastic here, so we can check the design of this wearable. Again, this is the Mini S9 Mini Smartwatch. Usually smartwatches with this design is in the range of 42 or 45 millimeter. This one 38mm. Okay, so we have here, we remove the plastic. Let's check on the contents of the S9 Mini. Okay, as you can see here, the strap is not attached. We have the user manual. So it is using the M2 Wear support app. We have the strap, sporty strap, flexible silicone strap. We have the wireless charging cable, USB Type A. And of course, we have here the smartwatch. So it has a glossy body frame. Yes, it is small compared to the usual smartwatches that we review here. Okay, so we have here a crown button and a bell-shaped button on the side. So this is an Apple Watch clone design, or Apple Watch inspired design. Okay, it looks cute, it looks nice. You have a glossy finish. Okay, so let's focus on the wearable here. It looks okay, so nothing really is unique on this wearable except that it has a 38mm body frame. Let's check on the weight of the smartwatch. So it is a bit heavy despite it has a small form factor. Okay, so let's check. So 28.48 grams with the strap attached. It is around 40. Still lightweight compared to other wearable, but it's 40 grams only. 40 grams in weight. So we have a crown button, glossy finish. Again, it is a metal body frame. let's check. So 38 millimeter. Let's check out the diameter, or I mean the width of this wearable. So 34.6 on the side. So this is 41. And for the thickness, it is 11.4. So it is a bit thick. Okay. So as you can see here, it is a smartwatch with a small form factor. So I'm looking here. I'm trying to check if where is the 38 millimeter here. Let's say this one. Okay, maybe it's on the screen display. So it is around 39 here, or 38 something. Okay, on this section. We'll check on the black border here later on and measure it if it's 38 millimeter. Okay, so it's around 38 here, as you can see, more or less. Okay, so let's attach this strap here. So as you can see here, there's a somewhat like a watch strap lock. I don't know if this is working or not. Seems like the strap lock is not working here. As you can see, just slide in, okay, and not locking on the smartwatch. Okay, again, the contents, we have the user manual, the smartwatch, and a wireless charging. So we already tested here the strap. So it's not, seems like it's still force fitting and it's not really locked. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so we accidentally turned it on. Anyway, let's try to turn it off. So let's turn it off and let's see the splash screen. Okay, I'm interested to see the splash screen. Okay, let's activate. Long press, hello. And we have here the watch face. Okay, so let's check the UI of this wearable. No message, notifications. We have here, okay, a dashboard for common applications on the bottom part, almost the same here. On the left side, we have the different widgets. Okay, so let's try to change. Is this sports? No, it's for the off. Okay, press. Let's change the watch face here. Okay, so we have here the black border. Let's measure it. So it is around edge to edge. So it's around 37.7, almost 38 here. Okay, 38. I guess it's 38. Yes, diagonally it's 38. Okay, so for the UI, pressing this one will show the main menu. I'm looking for these settings here. So there's no shortcut for the common settings. Okay, so pressing this one, so it's hard to press. Disappointed with the button here. Okay, it shows here the settings. You can edit, you can remove some. Let's add this one. Okay, so it's hard to use this one. So we have the power off. It's this one. Menu style. Okay, style number 2. That's it. So we can check. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing review of its design. Some of the functionalities. Again, this is for the its rotating crown button. Power on and off. This one is for the settings here. And it has a small form factor. Again, this watch strap lock here is not working. Although there are some details here. There are details here that says true snap. Okay, it doesn't even snap here. I don't know if this one is about the strap here. But this one, although there's a watch strap lock, it's not working. The crown button is working here. The button here is working, but it's hard to press. And it has the usual UI for our S9 Mini Smartwatch. So that's it for the unboxing review of its design. We do have the specs as well as the UI of the S9 Mini. On the next video, we are going to explore the features of the S9 Mini Smartwatch. Again, like, share, and subscribe.